धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय। मैंने बड़े ध्यान से इस बिल की इंट्रोडक्शन पर जो विरोध के लिए बिंदु उठाए गए सुना। मुझे लगता है इन ब्रीफ द कंक्लूजन्स हैव बीन ड्रॉन even before reading the bill. Now you are, I didn't interrupt, so no, I'm not yielding. You didn't interrupt, I didn't interrupt. So let me see. Bar, each of these speakers has said that you are leaving a room for extending the tenure, and that is the mala-fide. Okay, I'm now speaking your language, and I'm not a law-knowing person, but some of you who are law-knowing and well-versed in law, if you read the Central Vigilance Act, clearly states a director of enforcement shall continue to hold office for a period of not less than 2 years. It has never laid the limit of 2 years, which is being extended. Rather, we are streamlining it by limiting it to 5 years. Yes. So now let me. Now, secondly, no, I didn't interrupt. So no. Now you have to see, if you have been able to misinterpret the clause, it's not my fault. Then
you should make it a provision for the fixed tenure of power that you are not doing. Realize it.
Now the point is, you said extension will become routine. I thought I will raise these points in the course of discussion. During the past government, there have been occasions when the director, either ED or director CBI, was given extension without going through the process which is laid down in this act, which we are doing now.
Yes.
I'll give you the names also, if required. But I thought we will talk in detail during the discussion. Third, it is being said, what is the connection with the international angle? There is precisely a connection with the international angle. The entire format of criminology has changed in the recent years. New methodologies, new technologies, and huge international ramifications. No, I'm just responding to that. So I think I wish that you go through the contents and give it a fair thought. It is not confusing, as was being mentioned by Adhir. It looks confusing because we have not actually had enough time to deliberate on the mood. I will give you a number of such observations. Rather, extensions were happening. I'm not going to name the officers today. If pressed, I'll name them. I have the entire list with me in the course of discussion. With the year. Because we will talk in the discussion, no? This is introduction. करेंगे ना, फिर उस बार क्या बात करेंगे? सारी बात आज ही हो गई तो discussion क्या करेंगे? Because you are going to repeat what you said today in the discussion. I will not. I will go beyond this. We are rather streamlining this.
Yes.
So that is one part. And then saying कि ordinance क्यों आया? क्षमा कीजिए, जिस तरह से पिछले सत्र में हाउस चला है, चला नहीं चला, चलेगा नहीं चलेगा, तो क्या सरकार काम करना बंद कर देगी? ये तो इंसिडेंटली टुडे यू हैव हैड द पेशेंस टू बेयर. नहीं तो हाउस ही नहीं चलता. जब हाउस ही नहीं चलता है तो क्या करे सरकार? अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति चाहता हूं कि इस बिल को इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाए. बाकी के बिंदु हम चर्चा में
करने
ला
की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए. जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में हाँ गए, जो सदस्य विरोध में ना गए, मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में. माननीय मंत्री जी विधेयक को पुरस्तापित करें.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से केंद्रीय सतर्कता आयोग संशोधन अध्यादेश 2021 के प्रख्यापन द्वारा तत्काल विधान बनाए जाने के कारणों को दर्शाने वाला व्याख्यात्मक विवरण भी सभा पटल पर रखता हूं.